How to start a VTuber channel. 4 tips for beginners. 1. Choose a unique and interesting topic for your channel. This will help you to attract a following and keep people interested in your content. There are a number of factors to consider when choosing a topic for your channel. When creating a channel, it is important to choose a topic that is unique and interesting, but not overdone, and to also keep in mind the target audience you are trying to reach. 2. Make sure that you create high-quality videos. Poor quality videos will only reflect poorly on your channel and will not keep people interested. When it comes to video content, high quality is key. This doesn't just mean making sure that your videos are well shot and edited. It also means making sure that your content is valuable and engaging. People are more likely to stick around if your videos are interesting and informative, rather than just a sales pitch. In addition to creating high-quality videos, it's important to make sure that your channel is well branded. Your logo and graphics should be consistent across all of your videos, and your channel should be easy to navigate. Make sure that you also include a link. 3. Be consistent with your content. Upload videos on a regular basis and try to keep to a schedule. This will help to keep people coming back for more. It can be difficult to produce content on a regular basis, especially if you're not used to it. But it's important to be consistent if you want to keep people coming back for more. This means uploading videos on a regular basis and trying to keep to a schedule. If you can manage to be consistent, you'll start to see a pattern in your viewership. Your viewers will know when your next video is going to be uploaded, and they will plan their day around it. This is the kind of loyalty you want to achieve. 4. Interact with your viewers. Reply to comments and take part in discussions. This will help to create a community around your content. Video content is a great way to connect with your audience and create a community around your brand. By interacting with your viewers, you can help build relationships with them and encourage them to keep coming back for more. Reply to comments and take part in discussions. This will help to create a community around your brand and encourage viewers to keep coming back for more. Be sure to stay on top of the conversation and keep things moving. Thank you for watching, and if you want more videos, please subscribe and press the notification bell.